Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask is a rich lip treatment designed to nourish and hydrate dry, flaky lips. Infused with vitamin C, muramuru, and shea butter, this mask provides deep moisturization and antioxidant protection while you sleep. Its softening formula helps to smooth lips, leaving them feeling supple and rejuvenated by morning. Ideal for combating dryness and maintaining a healthy lip barrier. The Laura Geller New York The Best of the Best Baked palette offers a versatile collection of full-sized makeup essentials. It includes a bronzer, blush, 2 highlighters, and 3 eyeshadows, all in a convenient, travel-friendly palette. Perfect for creating a variety of looks, these baked formulas blend seamlessly for a radiant finish, making it an ideal all-in-one solution for on-the-go beauty. The 7-color light-based face neck massager is a facial massager designed for comprehensive skincare. Featuring 7 different LED light modes, this device helps address various skin concerns by promoting circulation, enhancing skin tone, and reducing fine lines. Its rose gold finish adds a touch of elegance, making it a stylish and effective tool for both face and neck treatments. The W7 Beauty Blast Advent Calendar 2024 is a festive collection filled with 24 individually boxed makeup and cosmetic surprises, perfect for the holiday season. Each day reveals a new beauty treat, from lip products to eye essentials and more. Cruelty-free and thoughtfully curated, it's an ideal gift for makeup enthusiasts looking to add some excitement to their Christmas countdown. The Eakroo 6 Colors Lip Tint Stain Set offers a range of mini liquid lipsticks with a Korean-inspired formula. These moisturizing lip glosses provide natural, vivid color that can be used on both lips and cheeks. With a non-stick, lightweight texture, they deliver high pigment and long-lasting wear, perfect for creating a fresh and radiant look that stays put all day.